purple, orange, and yellow. Everyone, good morning. Good morning. Are you ready for the trip today? One more time, honey. You are almost 120 people. No? So everyone, one more time. Good morning. Thank you so much, honey. Good morning, everyone, and welcome, everybody. My name is Spicy. I am a representative from Sea Angel Company. Everyone, pay me attention first. Now pay me attention first because of every word. If you understand about the trip today, I'm sure that you can manage yourself during the tour very easy. Now, everyone, today our speedboat, we work with 6 speedboat. Yes, it's 6 colors. Why? Because we need to, now on our board, we put only 30 people. Not only 30 people on each board to let everyone stay more comfortable for whole day trip. So when you get on the board, you don't have to fight with anyone for the seat. Now we have plenty seat for every people. Okay, everyone. When we get on the board, honey, the first thing you will see very big ice box at the middle. Now, after you open the ice box, you will say drinking water, cola. We provide you for free, unlimited. Now, whole day. The weather at the island is super hot. Now, it's not this all very hot. No, it's hot. No, it's hot. No, so drinking water and soft drink could help you to refresh yourself during the tour. Everyone, on our speedboat, we don't sell anything. We don't have any minibar on the board. No? If someone loves drinking, we are allowed. You are allowed to drink during the trip, anywhere, anytime. But the condition is we don't have anything to sell. If you like to prepare some beers or some alcohol drink, after my information, I recommend you to prepare. And then when you get on board, you can chill your drink in the ice box. And when we visit Bilet Lagoon, when we visit Maya Beach, if you love drinking, you can take your own. Okay, everyone. After we start running the boat, now our speedboat will run like this. Now we take only 45 minutes to 1 hour only from Phuket direct to Phi Phi Island Marine National Park area. When you get there, you will see the long tail boat like this. My ex-boyfriend, he filmed here. At the shallow water, they don't allow anyone to go swimming because of this beach was closed 4 years before to replant corals. Nowadays, after they reopen the beach, now when you visit the beach, you can only get in the water at your knee level for posing and photos. But we cannot swim because of the reason is they worry that our sunscreen and tanning oil, or for someone don't know how to swim, you might walk and step on the young corals. This is the reason why. Dear Maya Bay, we stay here 45 minutes long at the beach. Okay, we will let you say hi to my dad, my mom at Monkey Bay. You can hello monkey, but don't touch them. Because of this monkey, they are wild animal, and in summer, monkey is getting mad very easy. If you try to tease the monkey, monkey. Snorkeling is for free. We have provide you snorkeling mask and life jacket for you free on the boat already. You don't have to prepare any equipment with you. What you should have is a bit swimming skill. We do snorkeling 40 minutes long. Lunch. You can miss any program, but lunch you cannot miss. Must eat. Okay. In your wristband, lunch is already included. We arrange you for buffet lunch. All you can eat will be Thai food, Western food, non-vegetarian Indian food, Indian vegetarian food, normal, vegan food, and at the middle will be fresh fruit, papaya salad, and salad bar. All you can eat that you can enjoy your lunch. On this island, there will be one activity can enjoy scuba diving. This activity you don't have to know swimming at all. We do everything for you. We swim for you. We teach you. We hold you. We carry you. Everything. Only one thing that you must do by yourself is breathing. We cannot breathe for you. There are one people for scuba diving, including everything. It costs only 1,900 baht. Our staff will prepare you for watermelon, pineapple, drinking water, cola, serve you free at the beach all the time. When you go swimming, sometimes you might kick the rock, or sometimes you might walk on sea urchins. After you walk on sea urchins, what happens? Your feet will be like this. Its long spine will start inside your feet. You will feel very, very pain. Someone got this experience already? No one, right? I hope no one.
तो ये जैसे आपको दिखाए हैं ये शूज़ सॉक्स ऐसे शूज़ ये 350 बाht के हैं। तो यहाँ पर आप क्लोथ्स खरीद सकते हैं अगर आपके पास नहीं है तो यहाँ पर अगर कोई भी आपको स्टफ़ ऑन द स्पॉट खरीदना है तो थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव ही होगा क्योंकि टूरिस्ट स्पॉट है। अगर आप मेन मार्केट से आप ख़रीद लेते हैं तो वहाँ पर ऑब्वियसली सस्ता मिलेगा। तो यहाँ पर ये मेडिसिन देते हैं और अगर आपको सिकनेस हो जाए ओशन में ना ही पड़े ज़रूरत तो यहाँ से चेक इन की वो डिटेल्स जो हमारा गाइड है वो भरते हैं और यहाँ से जो भी एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़ आपने करनी है यहाँ से बुक कर सकते हैं आप। कॉफ़ी मुझे छोड़नी पड़ी, पर्पल कलर का बुलावा आ गया है फॉर स्पीड बोट। ये खाली कैंडी मीठी है क्या? बोर्डिंग हो रही है अब, पानी के अंदर घुस चुके हैं। सारी स्पीड बोर्ड्स हैं यहाँ पर। सी एंजल स्पीड, पर्पल दैट साइड, ये सारी अटैच्ड हैं स्पीड बोर्ड्स।